Welcome. In this video, we'll introduce you to the Jaltest Garage Resource Planner, or GRP. This powerful web-based tool helps you efficiently manage shop operations and keep detailed records of diagnostics and maintenance tasks. The GRP platform is fully integrated into Jaltest, allowing you to track all diagnostic sessions, maintenance activities, and service records for each vehicle in your shop or fleet. Every time you run a diagnostic session, you can save a report directly in GRP, where it's stored for easy access and future reference, feeding a powerful shop analytics tool. These reports are essential for analyzing recurring fault codes, viewing past tests, and reviewing shop activity. You can also associate specific vehicles with customers, making it quick and easy to retrieve a complete service history, whether you're managing a single shop or an entire fleet. For larger operations, GRP offers enhanced management tools, such as custom user roles and task assignments. You can designate roles like technician or service manager to ensure accountability and streamline workflows. GRP also allows you to create enterprise-level reports, adding a professional touch to your documentation and keeping your operations organized, even with high volumes of data. With Jaltest GRP, you can manage your shop operations with ease, keeping all service records and diagnostic reports in one place. Thank you for watching, and remember to make the most of these tools in order to enhance your efficiency and deliver top quality service.